Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Bittorrent. So, my friends, what's the current price of Bittorrent? And people ask me questions about BTT coin token. That can BTT will make us rich in June or not? Tell me in the comment box. People ask me questions. You also tell me in the comment box, my friends. Can make us or not? Tell me in the comment box. I will check it your comment. Anyways, if you look the latest update of PTT token, so absolutely that's clear that PTT will make you millionaire, no doubt. And there's no doubt that PTT will make you millionaire. So friends, the latest update you can see here 0.004383 USD dollar is the currently price of Bittorrent token. The highest price is last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. The whole changes is going and the BTT token is going positive, so that's why I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the BTT token. You can see here last 1 hour pricing is positive 0.05%. last 1 hour pricing is positive, and the highest price is 0.00044404 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the BTT token, my friends. So what do you think about that? I think my prediction about PTT is 100% positive, and I believe that in the end of this week there is a lot of chances to take a huge pump in the end of this week, my friends. Let's see the price. You can see here now the price chart is on the screen. Take a jump, but now this time they fast down for a little time, but it's not mean you decide to say no, the whole thing is positive, and I believe that they will take a huge pump. So wait for it and hold. Absolutely, they will make you millionaire.